What if someone could secretly intercept the traffic between you and a website? They could read your data, steal passwords, or even modify messages. This is called a man-in-the-middle attack. Welcome back to CyberMigos. Today, we're explaining how man-in-the-middle attacks work and how modern encryption helps stop them. Man-in-the-middle attack. In this attack, a hacker secretly places themselves between a user and a website. Intercepted traffic. When the user sends data, the attacker intercepts the traffic before it reaches the server. This allows the attacker to read sensitive information. Traffic modification. The attacker can also modify the traffic before forwarding it to the website. This means messages can be changed without the user knowing. So the attacker sits between the browser and the website? Exactly. They intercept and can even modify the traffic. Attack impact. A successful man-in-the-middle attack can expose passwords, messages, and other sensitive data. HTTPS protection. HTTPS helps stop these attacks by encrypting the communication between the browser and the website. Key takeaway. Man-in-the-middle attacks intercept traffic, but encryption like HTTPS protects your data. If you want cybersecurity explained simply, subscribe to CyberMigos. New cybersecurity concepts explained every week.